Alright, welcome back. In this class, we're going to talk about the structure of a website or structure of a web page or structure of a HTML document in general. Alright, so before I do that, let me basically explain you the structure of a human being, right? For example, if we consider this toy as a human being, we have two main parts in it. The first part is the head and the second part is the body, right? So just like this toy, every human being also has a head as well as a body, right? Just like a human being, every HTML document also has a head as well as a body. And just like that, every website also does the same. Now, if you see my screen, we have google.com as well as facebook.com opened up here. So in google.com, now we need to understand how do we identify what is the body as well as how do we identify what is the head, right? So the entire thing that you see on your screen is the body. Alright, the Google logo, the search bar, the buttons, or the Google is offered in multiple languages, or the sign-in Gmail images, or the menu button, everything. All of this is the body. Alright, so where is the head? The head is in the tab. So up there in your Google Chrome or in your web browser, you see a tab for each and every single website that we open, right? Inside the tab, we have a small Google logo as well as a small text saying Google, right? And if I go to Facebook, we see the entire Facebook homepage, you know, the login form, the Facebook title. And on the top, we see the Facebook logo. And beside it, it says Facebook login or sign up, right? That tab or the information inside the tab is the head. All right. So each and every single website has the same exact structure. It has a head as well as a body. Now, as we go further, we're going to understand, or I'm going to show you how do you configure or how do you modify these head parts as well as how do you add information into the body parts. All right. I'll see you in the next class.